What in the world is that? SteakAger? Do you hear that? It kind of sounds like the sizzling of meats. My brothers in steak partnered with me from the SteakAger, so I called a master. This is Polish Q.
What's up, guys?
You got to check him out on Instagram and maybe YouTube someday.
Coming soon.
And so I called the master. He's like a grilling and swilling and smoking and doing everything meats kind of dude. So I called him over to help me set this up. So we've got a huge, epic 20-pound prime New York strip loin that we're gonna place in the dry ager. And this is the SteakAger Pro40. Let's get to it. All right, so now we're just gonna put it together so you guys see how this works. We'll sling a big piece of meat in there, we'll plug it in, and we'll check it back in with you.
There we go. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these normal like beverage style racks that it comes with. All right, guys, then we're gonna grab our fan. We're gonna put our fan on the top set of grooves here. You're gonna push it all the way back till it goes in place.
That is nice design right there. There's a little hole you put that cord through. And that daddy just pops up in there and plugs in. What's the P and the H?
Happy place. Here's your hanger. This is gonna go top rack as well. Then you're gonna hang your meat either by hooks or by the skeletons that it comes with. Yes, on the back, this is gonna be your plug that goes in the wall for the compressor. And this one is the one that's gonna control your fan to keep your humidity and everything on point. This one's gonna plug right into the back.
We've got a 20-pound prime strip loin, black Angus beef, and we're trying to put it together in the rack. And tell them what you just told me.
So it's important, guys, to take a look at the piece of meat that you're gonna use in the rack, because as it dry ages, it's gonna conform to the way the rack is. So you wanna position it so that after your 30 or 45 days of dry aging, it's gonna be the product that you want and give you that perfect steak in that perfect shape. So you definitely wanna take a look at the protein you're using and the racks provided in the string and the hooks to see what's gonna be best for you.
Now, it's important to like really dry it, or?
You wanna pat it down pretty good, yeah. Yeah, you're just helping it dry out anyways, which is gonna do. So you're just kind of like helping the cleanup process by patting it down pretty good now. The only thing that you're gonna wanna trim is if there's anything really funky hanging off of it, trim that.
But like while it's dry aging?
Right now. So if you were to open it up and there's a big meat flap hanging or something that doesn't, like, you know that you're gonna lose anyways, and it's not gonna help benefit the dry aging process, trim that. But other than that, you're gonna let it go as it is.
There it is, the SteakAger, rocking and rolling.
All right, guys, we got the SteakAger in place, Pro40. As you can see with this beautiful prime cut New York strip. As you see up here, we have our temperature setting. Optimal dry aging is gonna be 37 degrees. So that's what we want to be set at. And now time is our friend.
All right, we hope you enjoyed. We're gonna wait 30 days, and then you're gonna see something awesome.
30 days of epicness, guys. It's gonna be worth the wait.
Thanks for joining me, Rich.
Hey, it's an epic time, Chris. Thanks.